We'll guide you through how to prompt ChatGPT effectively to get the best responses. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the ChatGPT interface, you'll notice a text box where you can type your prompts. When crafting a prompt, you want to be as clear and specific as possible. This helps ensure that ChatGPT understands exactly what you're looking to achieve. For example, instead of just saying, "Tell me about history," you might say, "Can you give me a brief overview of the key events leading up to World War II?" This level of detail guides the model to provide more relevant information. You can also instruct ChatGPT on how to format its response. For instance, if you want a response in list form, you could start your prompt with, "List the steps to," or "Provide a bulleted outline of." Additionally, if you're looking for creative content, you might frame your prompt with a scenario, like, "Imagine you're a time traveler from the 1800s. Describe your first encounter with a smartphone." Remember, the more context and detail you provide, the better. If you're looking for concise answers, you can specify word limits or ask for a summary. Also, if a response isn't quite what you expected, you can refine your prompt and ask again. Using polite language, such as please and thank you, can sometimes help the model align with a friendlier tone. Don't forget that experimenting with different prompt styles can help you discover what works best for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.